find the derivative. So since product rule ito, x raised to 5 times x squared minus x plus 7 ay yung radical sign 1/2 yan, raised to 1/2. So product rule, UV, so ito ay magiging U prime B plus U B prime. So identify muna natin yung U. So yung U natin ay x raised to 5. And then yung V, ito yun. So yung U muna, ang U natin, so yung U prime nito, 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Ayan. So yung V, ilista natin, x squared minus x plus 7 raised to 1/2. So yung B prime naman ito, so chain rule yung gagamitin dito. Meron tayong case, so diretso na natin. 1/2, siyempre 1/2 times 1 dito, 1/2, and then x squared minus x plus 7. So 1/2 minus 1 is equal to negative 1/2. And then yung inner term nito, so ito pa lang yung outer term. So yung inner term, so i-derive lang natin. 2 times 1 is 2x. And then yung minus x ay, ang derivative niya na ay 1. And then yung 7, constant rule, 0 na yan. So yan, ito na yung ating B prime. So ngayon, tawag dito, i-substitute na natin yung mga given. So ito yung U prime, B prime. Okay, so dito natin ilagay banda, adjust natin. So yung U prime natin is 5x raised to 4. So, and then yung V, ito yung V, ayan, x square minus x plus 7 raised to 1/2, then plus, so yung U natin ay x raised to 5. And then yung B prime, ito yung B prime natin, 1/2 times x squared minus x plus 7 raised to negative 1/2 times 2x minus 1. Okay. So isulat natin yung final answer, so final derivative. So 5x square ay 5x raised to 4. And then yung 1/2 na exponent, magiging radical sign na yan. Then x squared minus x plus 7. Then sunod, multiply natin to. Wait, since negative 1/2 yung exponent, so mapupunta yan sa denominator para maging positive siya. So yung natirang numerator natin ay ang x raised to 5 times 1 times 2x minus 1. So minus 1 ito. Okay, so yung denominator ay x raised to 5, ayan, times 1, and then 2x minus 1 over, yung denominator naman natin ay 2, and then ito, So, since magiging positive muna ito pag ibaba dito, so 1 half yan. So, radical sign na yan, and then kopyahin ito. X squared minus x plus 7. So, ito na yung derivative.